Good morning, children. In the last lecture, we have studied the importance of vitamin and the concept of cell division. This lecture, we will see actual process of cell division, the process of mitosis. We have studied last lecture the cell division taking place in two ways, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is occurring into the somatic cells or stem cells, and meiosis occurs in the germ cells. Now here we will study the mitosis. Before going to mitosis, let us study some points. Okay, before any type of cell divisions, now see this sentence. Before any type of cell division, the cell double ups its chromosome number present in its nucleus. Okay, म्हणजे कोणत्याही पेशी विभाजनाच्या आधी त्या पेशीच्या केंद्रकात असलेले जे क्रोमोझोम म्हणजे गुणसूत्र असतात त्यांची संख्या काय होते, दुप्पट होते. इफ इट्स क्रोमोझोम नंबर इज 2n, इट इज डबल्ड अप टू 4n. म्हणजे त्या क्रोमोझोमची संख्या 2n असेल तर ती किती होते, 4n होते. म्हणजे त्या पेशीच्या केंद्रकात जेवढे क्रोमोझोम आहेत त्या क्रोमोझोमची संख्या ती सेल काय करते, दुप्पट करते. ओके, नाव सी हियर, व्हॉट इज द शेप ऑफ द क्रोमोझोम? Give its name and figure. This is the chromosome. This is the X-shaped chromosome. The shape of the chromosome is English letter X. Is like English letter X. Now we will name this the part of this chromosome. So what is the name of the part? It is the P arm. This is P arm. Name of P arm. A R M. Okay, this second box, it is called as centromere. Centromere, MERE. Okay, the third box is Q arm. It is called as Q arm. Then the next is DNA. What is the part of this? What is the name of this part of chromosome? It is called as DNA. Okay, so these are the names. These names can be asked in a paper for 2 marks, half mark each name. First, this part is P arm. Okay, then second part is this second box is centromere. Centromere departs the shape. Okay, it imparts the shape to the particular chromosome. It divides the chromosome into 2 parts. Then Q arm, the third box shows the Q arm, and the fourth part shows the DNA. For the chromosome and its types, you can study the 9th standard science 2 textbook. Okay, now next. Okay, can you recall? We have recalled it. A pair of each type of chromosome is present in the second condition, 2n condition, where a single chromosome is in n condition. Present. See this. A pair of each type of chromosome is present in 2n condition, where a single chromosome of each type is present in n condition. म्हणजे डबल क्रोमोझोम असेल तर तो 2n कंडिशनमध्ये असतो, सिंगल क्रोमोझोम असेल तर तो n कंडिशनमध्ये असतो. अँड देअर स्ट्रक्चर इज लाईक शोन इन द फिगर गिवन सीट. ओके, नाव सी हियर. आणि त्याचं जे स्ट्रक्चर आहे ते या डायग्राम 2.5 मध्ये दाखवलेलं आहे. पेअर ऑफ क्रोमोझोम्स म्हणजे किती क्रोमोझोम? 2. पेअर म्हणजे जोडी, आणि सिंगल क्रोमोझोम असेल तर जोडी नाही, फक्त एकटाच. ओके, मग जोडी असेल तर 2n आणि सिंगल क्रोमोझोम असेल तर n. Okay, what is the mitosis? Now let us study the mitosis. Mitosis. Okay, somatic cell and stem cells divide by the mitosis. Mitosis is completed through 2 main steps. Okay, those 2 steps are karyokinesis, means nuclear division, and cytokinesis, means cytoplasmic division. Karyokinesis is completed through 4 steps. See this. Somatic cells and stem cell divide by mitosis. Mitosis is completed through 2 main steps. Those 2 steps are karyokinesis, means nuclear division, and cytokinesis, means cytoplasmic division. Karyokinesis is completed through 4 steps. First one is prophase. Now what is the prophase? See. In prophase, the condensation of basically thin thread-like chromosome starts. म्हणजे क्रोमोझोम कसे असतात, बारीक धाग्यासारखे असतात. ओके, ते बारीक धाग्यासारखे जे क्रोमोझोम असतात त्याचं कंडेन्सेशन प्रोफेज स्टेजमध्ये सुरू होतं. ड्यू टू धिस दे बिकम शॉर्ट अँड थिक अँड दे स्टार्ट टू ॲपियर अलॉंग विथ द पेअर्स ऑफ देअर सिस्टर क्रोमॅटिड्स. त्याच्यामुळे ते काय होतात, शॉर्ट म्हणजे लहान होतात, थिक म्हणजे जाड होतात, अँड दे स्टार्ट टू ॲपियर अलॉंग विथ देअर सिस्टर क्रोमॅटिड्स. ओके, सी दिस. ओके, हां. Centrioles duplicate to each centriole. See, centrioles duplicate and each centriole moves to the opposite pole of the cell. Centriole duplicate म्हणजे ते त्यांचे दोन पार्ट होतात सेंट्रिओलचे आणि ते पेशीच्या दोन विरुद्ध पोलकडे, विरुद्ध टोकांकडे जातात. न्यूक्लिअर मेम्ब्रेन अँड न्यूक्लिओलस स्टार्ट टू डिसअपियर. What happened? Nuclear membrane and nucleolus they starts to disappear. See, nuclear membrane and nucleolus starts to disappear. So we will see the diagram. This is the genetic material. Okay, here this first phase is of prophase where condensation, these are the chromosomes, these chromosomes are starting condensing. So after condensation they become short and thick and moves to the here the centrioles duplicate and moves to the opposite pole of the cell. Okay, this is the prophase. Okay, where chromosome number double ups, here 2n, here it becomes 4n. First step, that is the prophase. Now next, the metaphase. What do you mean by metaphase? Nuclear membrane completely disappears in the metaphase. What happens is metaphase? In metaphase, nuclear membrane completely disappears. See, nuclear membrane completely disappears in metaphase. म्हणजे जे न्यूक्लिअर मेम्ब्रेन असतं ते मेटाफेसमध्ये पूर्णपणे नाहीसं होतं. Chromosomes complete their condensation. Nuclear membrane completely disappear in metaphase. Chromosomes complete their condensation and become clearly visible along with the sister chromatids. So whatever the chromosomes are there, their condensation is completed and they become clearly visible to the sister chromatids with their sister chromatids. All chromosomes are arranged parallel to the equatorial plane, that is central plane of the cell. See here, all chromosomes are arranged parallel to the equatorial plane, that is central plane of the cell. Special type of protein, flexible proteins. What is the name of that flexible protein? Spindle proteins are formed between centromere and each chromosome of the both centrioles. A special type of flexible proteins, that is fiber proteins, spindle fibers, are formed between centromere of each chromosome and centrioles. So what is the metaphase here? This is the prophase, this is the metaphase. This one is the metaphase. In metaphase, the nuclear membrane is completely disappeared. Chromosomes are clearly along with their sister chromatids. Okay, special type of flexible proteins called spindle fibers are formed in the metaphase. Okay, now and sister chromatids are, sorry, all chromosomes are arranged parallel to the equatorial plane then of the cell. The next phase is anaphase. Which phase? Anaphase. In anaphase, centromere split and thereby sister chromatid of each chromosome separate and pulled apart at the opposite direction with the help of spindle fibers. Here, this is the anaphase. Okay. I will make this paragraph highlight and then I will explain you what happens actually. Okay, in anaphase, centromeres split and thereby their sister chromatids of each chromosome separate and they are pulled apart in opposite direction with the help of spindle fibers. स्पिंडल फायबर जो तयार होतो मेटापेसमध्ये त्या मेटापेसच्या साहाय्याने जे सेंट्रोमियर असतात centromere imparts the shape to the chromosome. Okay, it is the constricted part of the chromosome. So that centromere split up due to the spindle fibers which is formed into the metaphase. They are pulled apart in the opposite direction with the help of spindle fiber. Spindle fiberच्या मदतीने ते एकमेकांच्या विरुद्ध दिशेला ते ओढले जातात. Separated sister chromatids are called daughter chromosomes or chromosome builds pulled appear like bunch of the bananas. Okay, separated sister chromatids are called as daughter chromosomes. जे sister chromatids separate होतात म्हणजे स्वतंत्र होतात त्याला daughter chromosome म्हणतात. Daughter chromosomes means newly formed chromosome, नव्याने तयार झालेले chromosome. They are appearing like bunch of bananas. ते केळ्याच्या याच्यासारखे दिसतात, केळ्याच्या bunch सारखे दिसतात ते. बरोबर. In this way the each set of chromosomes reach at two opposite poles. In this way each set of chromosome reach at two opposite poles of the cell. अशा पद्धतीने पेशीच्या दोन टोकांना क्रोमोझोम काय होतात ओढले जातात म्हणजे पोचवले जातात. सो दिस इज द एनाफेज. दिस इज एनाफेज. ओके. Now next we are going to see the last phase, that is telophase. Okay, telophase. What is the telophase? Now whatever the chromosomes are pulled towards the two ends of the cell in opposite direction in the anaphase, those chromosomes, the chromosomes which have reached at the opposite poles of the cell now start to condense. पुन्हा त्या क्रोमोझोमचं कंडेन्सेशन होतं ड्यू टू विच दे अगेन बिकम थ्रेड लाईक अँड इनविजिबल. ज्याच्यामुळे ते अगेन पुन्हा दे बिकम थ्रेड लाईक म्हणजे बारीक धाग्यासारखे होतात आणि ते अदृश्य होतात. इनविजिबल म्हणजे अदृश्य. न्यूक्लिअर मेम्ब्रेन इज फॉर्म अराउंड इच सेट ऑफ क्रोमोझोम रिच ॲट द पोल्स. इजंट इट. न्यूक्लिअर मेम्ब्रेन तयार होतं पुन्हा प्रत्येक क्रोमोझोमच्या सेटमध्ये जे पोल जवळ असतात. दस टू डॉटर न्यूक्लियाय आर फॉर्म इन अ सेल. त्याच्यामुळे दोन डॉटर न्यूक्लियाय म्हणजे नवीन न्यूक्लियस तयार होतात त्या पेशीमध्ये. न्यूक्लिओलस ऑल्सो अपियर्स इन द डॉटर न्यूक्लियस. न्यूक्लिओलस म्हणजे न्यूक्लिअर मेम्ब्रेन. ओके. न्यूक्लिओलस ऑल्सो अपियर्स इन इच डॉटर सेल. स्पिंडल फायबर्स आर कम्प्लिटली डिसअपियर. म्हणजे स्पिंडल फायबर जे तयार होतात मेटाफेसमध्ये ते कम्प्लिटली काय होतात डिसअपियर होतात स्पिंडल फायबर्स. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट in the process of karyokinesis, in this way karyokinesis completed and cytokinesis begins. Karyokinesis म्हणजे division of nucleus is completing and cytokinesis म्हणजे division of cytoplasm is beginning here. Okay. The cytoplasm divides by cytokinesis and two new cells are formed. Cytoplasm means the membrane which is the liquid membrane which is present outside the nucleus. It is called as cytoplasm which is present in the cell. It divides by the cytokinesis and two new cells are formed which are called daughter cells in this process. Okay. नवीन सेल तयार होतात सायटोकायनेसिसमध्ये. In this process a notch is formed at the equatorial plane of the cell which deepens gradually and thereby two new cells are formed. Notch म्हणजे एक फुगवटा तयार होतो. Now see here, this is the notch, this is the cytokinesis and this is the notch. Okay, this is what the notch. Okay. Now see here, however in case of plant cell instead of notch the cell plate is formed exactly midline of the cell. Okay. In case of cell division in plants, notch is not formed. Instead of notch a cell plate is formed exactly along the middle of the cell and this cytokinesis is completed. Okay. Mitosis is essential. What is the importance of mitosis? Mitosis is essential for the growth of the body. Besides it is necessary for restoration of the emaciated body. वूंड हिलिंग, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द ब्लड सेल्स म्हणजे म्हणजे रेड ब्लड सेल, व्हाईट ब्लड सेलची निर्मिती होण्यासाठी, जखम भरून येण्यासाठी, इमिशिएटेड बॉडी म्हणजे दुखापत झालेल्या शरीराची झीज भरून काढण्यासाठी मायटोसिसची गरज असते. इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट. थँक्यू. This is sufficient for this lecture. Okay, so this is the telophase, and here the mitosis process completes. Okay, now these are the stages in the mitosis. This is the prophase, this is the metaphase, this is the anaphase, and this is the telophase. So you have to identify the diagram. If income is in paper, you have to identify an activity based question. It is useful in practical based question also. We will see it later. Thank you.